going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to a new video, guys. So today we got a special video thanks to Suvneer. If you guys haven't seen the previous video where I installed the lip, they actually just sent out the matching spoiler. So we're gonna go ahead, open up this spoiler, see what it looks like. Really excited to put this thing on because, bro, having matching forged carbon is gonna look insane. So let's go ahead, open it up. All right, dude, I'm so excited. Bro, last video I was so hyped for the lip. I can't wait to see what this looks like.
That packaging,
bro, you already know. Like I said in the last video, when the packaging is like this, you know it's gonna be high quality.
A superior product right there.
Honestly.
Oh, I see that 3M, John.
Oh, it does have 3M.
We don't have to go to Walmart. So this is supposed to be a matching spoiler?
Yes, matching spoiler.
To your front lip?
My front lip. So if you guys haven't, like I said, if you guys haven't seen that video, definitely go check it out because it was a really good video. I was so hyped for that lip, and now we got the matching spoiler, so this is gonna look absolutely insane.
Oh
this quality, this quality, bro! Look at this thing, dude. Look at this.
Ooh.
Oh my gosh, it literally.
Well, it looks like a Huracan, like the kind of carbon you see on a Huracan, dude. Bro. That looks insane.
It looks absolutely crazy, bro. And it came with the 3M. So they already know what's up. They already know what's up. Bro, let's see what it looks like on the car. Woof. Bro,
that
Fitment too. The Fitment's crazy. Bro.
I think it's already sitting, huh?
Oh, that's perfect. Yo, it's actually aggressive.
You know, when we were driving earlier, I was like, you need a spoiler. This,
I really did,
bro,
dude.
this is gonna do it, dude.
Bro, this looks so good. Dude.
Oof.
Look at like the indents. Like
I know.
Usually it's just like it's just flat, right? But now they got
flat,
the nice indents on the bottom, nice indents on the top.
Bro, this goes hard. Awesome. This looks good, dude.
Hell yeah, dude.
I'm so hyped. Okay, let's go ahead, take off the 3M. Ooh, so satisfying. Bro.
Let's get it.
Dude, it looks so good. I'm so happy that they added the 3M tape because sometimes it's a pain to like do it yourself. The fact that they added it really helps with the ease of installing it because literally I open up the box and we're already ready to install it within 5 minutes.
That's what I'm talking about.
That's literally the best thing about it.
Now before you do that, my good sir.
Yes.
We need to heat it.
Ooh,
it sticks better when you heat it.
Forgot.
So yeah, guys, if you guys have a heat gun, just heat it up. Just kind of get it a little bit warm, so when you put it on the car, it just kind of spreads out and sticks better.
Alright, guys, Nor is right. You definitely need to use a heat gun. Alrighty, guys. So pretty much we tried putting it on the car, but it didn't really fit how I wanted it to. So we ended up taking off the 3M tape. It took us like an hour to take it all off.
It took us a long time.
Like seriously, it took us like forever to take it off. So I ended up going to Walmart and picking up this Gorilla tape. And then I also picked up this one just in case. Scotch 3M tape. This is the clear one. This one always works really good.
There you go.
But this one holds up to 60 pounds. So I wanted to try this one first.
Holy God.
Yeah, like I don't want it to fly off, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna go ahead and put some of this on and we're gonna go put it on the car. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, now it's time to put this on.
Okay, that's good. Alright, bro, that's sticking.
Now that's perfect.
That's perfect, bro.
Just to put it out there, guys, getting 3M makes all of a difference. That's all I'm saying.
This one was Gorilla tape.
Oh,
60 pounds, bro. 60.
This guy said this spoiler's never coming off.
It's never coming off. 60 pounds, bro.
Oh my God.
It's staying
bro,
on there.
Like,
See,
now
it's fitting.
already, it's not even coming off, dude.
Bro,
look at the whole car shaking, dude.
Literally, yeah, now that's what I'm talking about. So literally, guys, let me show you the tape that I used. So I went ahead and got this one. So right here, the Gorilla tape, heavy duty, whatever, 120 inches. It holds up to 60 pounds. Literally, dude.
John, you're a madman, you know that? 60 pounds?
I know, but it looks good. Like, look
it does look good.
Look at that, you guys got the gaps really
Dude,
good.
it's literally, the Fitment's perfect like this.
It's perfect, yeah.
Check this thing out. Like literally, the Fitment is absolutely perfect on here. Looks really, really good. Very, very aggressive. I think we're gonna have to go do a nice little video shoot for you guys. Maybe some photos as well because, dude, The forged carbon just looks absolutely insane. I really love this. Super happy with this. Huge thanks to Suvneer for sending it out. I will have the link down below in the description, so definitely go check it out. Guys, it looks so good. Let's go ahead, jump into a nice little cinematic for you guys. So yeah, let's go ahead and do that. Alrighty guys, so that is the end of the video. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this quick little install. It's honestly very easy to do. You just need to buy some 3M tape or some like Gorilla tape, really strong tape, and then just fit it on there. Like I said, it's really easy. So huge shout out to Suvneer for sending this out to me. Now we got the forged carbon look in the front and the rear. Matches. So excited with how this looks. But yeah guys, make sure to go check out the link down below. Make sure to follow us on Instagram. We'll go ahead and throw up all of our Instagrams. Make sure to subscribe down below as well. Without further ado guys, remember, stay safe, stay happy, and stay in that project car. I will catch you guys later.